Good morning, everyone. Okay. All right. We're working. We're working. All right. All right. ES playing today. Nothing due but to hold and wait. We're looking for 59.77, 59.38 to 40 equal support. So it looks like we'll just have to kind of wait and see what happens at that 40 level. Let's see where the ES is sitting at. Oh goodness. All right, what, 59? So it looks like we're going to be probably working our way back up to the 604. Then we'll just kind of go from there. There's 604. And we also had the support labels at the 82. You can see we've hit those 82s quite a bit today on the ES. Also, got 3-star news this morning. What is that? 23 minutes. 9:45. I don't understand why I cannot copy paste that. Let's see. There we go. All right. Let's bring up TradingView and see where our let's see here. What is that? 21,031. 21,073. Don't know if we need to wait for us to see if we get above the 118s. This is a 15 minutes. And then not sure where that one's at. 21,031. So it looks like if we can get a below the 86 here, we could make a run down to the 920s. Unless this happens at opening and it just goes straight through, then it's kind of hard to get in on those. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Let's see what kind of order blocks. We have some order block setups this one too. We got an opening. No, we cleared out that opening gap overnight. Got a 15-minute order block down at 20,8089, which is it's a good ways down. I guess I just realized how big of a move that we have overnight. Let's see how big of a move we had. So we opened here. Let's see. 2837. Is that 9? Shoot. That's almost 300 points, man. That means this morning's price action can be pretty choppy, guys. We'll have to wait and see what happens. I thought we were going to have a little bit more of those choppy price actions last week, but I was proven wrong. We had a lot of volatility last week. Well, lost my controller. Must have taken it in there somewhere. So we'll just approach the day with cautions. Might have to just wait for the news play to get through. I don't think they're like massive big news plays. You know, it might be one of those ones where you get like 30 to 50 point moves, but you still don't want to be, you don't want to be trapped in those. Then that 80 to 82 has been kind of support for the ES. Kind of we had that line in the sand last week where we had the big sell-off from that section. Kind of see where it pushed above it. bounced right off the 82 earlier this morning, or at around 5:30, then had a nice little move, probably up. No, not quite the 604s. That 604s, we could just kind of be trapped in this range between 82 and 604 this morning for a little bit. And this is a 5-minute chart. All right, switch over to my 1-minute chart. All right, guys, here we go. We did take a pre-market trade this morning on the 5-minute charts. This is that bottom of that support here at the 28. And that's on the 15-minute charts. This way you guys can see it too. Ah. I think for shorts, I'm kind of may just wait for us to get below the 80s here and find some resistance in this area here. Like I said, man, we had a big move overnight. And so a lot of times we'll have some, really crappy price action in the mornings. Ooh, look at the bottom of that range hold. So I put these levels in the chat for anybody that wants to mark them out on their chart. They're usually pretty solid. I mean, I just use them just more for support resistance. They're support and demand areas for, I'm using the 15-minute and the 5-minute. What's up, Java? As far as the support and supply range, you can do any hours or any time frame, but these are the two I use. Oh goodness. Got above 72. I'm going to wait and see what happens once we get above this 18. Because I think if we get above that, we could, well, shoot, that 29. Yeah. Ooh, look at where that bounced that, guys. Bounced right off of that 18 area that we had marked out. Look at that, right at the top of that demand zone here at the 18s. Wonder if that 72 is going to hold and push all the way down, back down to the 30s. Still bouncing off the bottom at 30, guys. So right now we're just kind of staying within this range here between the 30s. I mean, it's still a really big range. I want to see the 72 right here hold. That'll be the middle of this range. Nope, it didn't hold. I'm at a. Man, did we take the 37 out? Sorry, let me put the. Got in there a little late. It should go to 85. I'm gonna play 90 for my first target. Golly, I tried to get in there once we broke through that 28, but it happened so fast I couldn't even get in. Let's see if we hit that 85. That 85 is what target I was shooting for. Boom, there's the 85. through 85, it should keep selling. Should get a nice little run if we break through that 85. Well, should go all the way down to the 920s if we get through those 85s. Oh, there it goes. $27. We're going to choose 40 here as our target. Maybe even 50. We'll do 50. We'll do 50. Oh, shoot. It's regaining that 85 again. It has to get below that 85 for us to continue. Oh, it printed right at it. Come on, lose 85. Boom. Just one micro. So far, that 85 is still holding, guys. All right, we're up. Really don't want to lose this whole trade. If we start regaining the 85, I'm going to close this trade down. Nice. Woohoo. Good job. The 85 was a wall for us, guys. Man, these supply and demand zones are paying. We should hit the 127s. Should be the next target down. I wish I had me another runner. Let's see if we get there. We got 1 minute till news, so anything could happen right here. We could skyrocket back up. So if you're in this trade, just be aware that news is less than 30 seconds. So we already had fairly 2 good trades this morning. I took this one pre-market on the 5-minute charts. I've been doing 5-minute breakouts. And this is the trade that we just took for 258. That was this trade here. No funded account trade though yet. We're waiting for a 5-minute setup probably on that one. Definitely do not want to regain the 85 if you're still looking at shorts. The heck? Oof. Let's see. We got through the 9:45 news, so much didn't happen. I didn't get a chance to move my thing there. Just, oh no, it went in with 6 micros. I didn't mean to do that. I meant to only do 2. Dang it. Oh, never mind. Yeah, got lucky on that. Where's my 27? Where's the 27? Oh, it hit 27 on the dot. I missed it. I couldn't get it set up in time. Woo, we got lucky. I tried to just go back in with 2 micros and it reset to 6. So I feel I got lucky on those 6. That's all right. We'll still play that 27. That was that one target we talked about right here at the top of this next supply and demand zone here. If we get through the 26s, I'm thinking we should get a sell down to 87.07s. Next target's at 907 here. Got to get through the 27s. We push through those 27s hards. We should definitely hit the 907s. Come on. Man, I really don't want to see this come all the way back and stop me out. So I got to take something out of this, even if it's just a little bit. Looks like we're trying to get back the funded account that we lost. So we still need about another $130. I don't know if the safer play will be wait till after news, because this thing's getting kind of erratic here. It's trying to get below the 27s. I mean, I wish it had slowed down a little bit. It's right there at it. Come on. Come on. Oh, did I hit the 907? I bet I hit the 907. All right. All right, close it. We passed. Woo, that's close. We got over the mark. So we got back our funded account that we lost last week. So it took us $500 to get that today. So we'd have made $500 on this whole play down. And that's just playing these levels right here, guys. We're having quick pushes. As soon as I see that we have a nice little break, just kind of jumping in. Oh man, I feel like we could waterfall possibly past 87 here. At least a good 40 points for that next swing. Then all the way down to 744. So we'll watch this and see what happens here. I'm trying to get that level marked out. Oh no, I couldn't even get to it. I couldn't do it. Let's see if we get another opportunity to join in. Okay, it just wicked past it. It wicked past it. I want to see a print below that. This is just 2 micros here, so it. Ooh, that first time it may not get through. Let me see where we. No. The levels are paying the bills today, guys. 743. Goodness. Oh no, I can't move it. I guess I have my ATM. What is that? 800. Yeah, I feel like 40 at 40s. Yeah, that 40s was the first swing down that I mentioned right here. If we lose the 40s, we could get down to 73. I'm going to take at least 30 points out of this because we also have news in a few minutes too, guys. So we locked in 30 points already. If that 40 holds, I think we'll be good. That 40 was that swing down right here. See that 39, 40? That's what you got to have hold. Oh, never mind. Java, did you take any of these level trade downs? Nice, nice. I almost feel like I'm done for the day, man. I don't think I can do any better. It's like you just want to call it quits and walk away. I still feel like 65 is a possible target. Not 65, but 75. 745. I don't know. Let me. We got news in 10 seconds, so be careful if you're still in this trade or if you're in any trade. Wow. Oh, there it goes. So let's see if we get the 45. Oh, it's so close. It's so close. Nice. There we go. Wow, look at that nasty wick. Here's that next level of support down. It looks like it's already been kind of touched quite a bit this morning, but this 15 minutes, this is a very fresh 15-minute supply and demand zone, and that's at that 665. Man, if this thing creates another little bear flag, might have to look for another entry with a couple micros here. Just keep it small and just make sure we hold on to our profit today. No reason to go in big from now on. So we'll tap down to 3 micros and risk like $60 a trade at the most. Right now in this one account that we're going to attempt to trade, it was a reset eval, so we're up $400 today. That was that one trade I took on the 5-minute chart this morning. Need to see that 40 hold. That's the bottom of that swing here where I got this little dotted line, if you can see that or not. Then if we get back above 40, you want to see the 80s hold. So which would be almost back into this 21 EMA. Here's your 40. Let's see if the 40 is going to hold. Mm. Like I said, guys, we've downgraded to 3 micros. So now we're just trying to add to our profit. You know, it's just so maybe a little bit more riskier trades, not really coming off levels or nothing. So right now I'm kind of looking for this 80, this not 80, but I'm looking for this, see if this 40 breaks here. Come on. Hope that's not a fake breakout below the 40. Might have been a fake breakout on me. Uh-oh. Might have got caught on this one, guys. Yep. Got caught on that 40 break. It wouldn't, maybe I should have waited for a print, but we'll try it again. All right. Looking for 88.90 to hold here. Almost wish I had taken the 20 bounce there. That was 20 points. Mm. All right, we're going to go to break even already on this one. Got caught on that first break. Come on. I mean, we are looking for a 30-point runner. All right. There we go. Man. Damn it. Risking $20 of our profit here. Go back down to 2 micros. Right now, we're just kind of magnet to that 40 level. Couldn't get through the 40s. Like I said, guys, we're going to take a little bit more riskier trades since we downsize a little bit with the micros. So this 40 here is still kind of a choppy target here. Get some pretty big wicks though, guys. I mean, man, what is that? Like 30? That's like almost a 30-point candle. 1 minute candles are insane today. So it looks like we're going to have to get below the 800s here. I thought we didn't quite. I think a while ago when I tried this engulfing trade here, I thought we would push back up to the 88s. Got to get below the 800s here. I think if we can get those 800s, we could shoot for maybe the 60s or 70s. Maybe another little wick test. Is this the 15 minutes here? No, this is the bottom of... That's the close of that 30-minute candle at 9 o'clock here. Man, it's holding. I'd like to see 25 hold up. what it is, that's the close of your 30-minute candle there. Okay. There's the 40s. Do we push above the 20 and make a run for the 50s up there? 50 EMAs? Mm-hmm. Mm. We're at the bottom of that range at 88. Dang it, man. I wanted to actually do target. Well, I thought maybe we could touch that 50 up there. Oh, nice. Woo, another nice 40-point trade there. If we get it there, we should definitely hit those 40s as next target up for that 50% pullback. I just don't have no more contracts to put up there. I only had 3. Sold 2 at 10 and look for the runner. Oh, goodness. All right, so that pushed both accounts over 500s. These are just evals today. We're only looking for 5-minute trades on our fundeds today. So I'm not sure when we'll take those. Mine there comes that 50% mark. I knew I should have went a little bit heavy. This trade happens almost every single day. You just don't know when. It's like we're at the bottom. We always get that session mid. Hmm. Didn't quite get up there. What do we miss it by about 10 points? Or is this going to be a little bull flag here? Boy. Nice. Boom. There's your 40. The 40, the 50% session mid. Woo. Oh my goodness. What's up, Eric? What's up, Outer? No, we've been catching a lot of bangers today, guys. It's been a lot of big trades this morning. There's your 40. I felt pretty confident about that trade as long as that 88 held. You can see we kind of hit that 88. One more test right there. That was the last bounce off the 88. Then we had the break through the trend line here for a push up to the 40. We've been taking most of our trades this morning off our supply and demand areas, Outer. Let's see. I want to say we got short originally back over here somewhere. Like, I don't know. We've taken quite a few trades today. Right now we're up. I did get my one funded account back because we failed at funded last week, and so I was able to pass another eval today. And this was a reset eval here. So altogether we're up $1,000 today. So we're at that 50% pullback. This trade almost happens every single day. Like it, I mean, there's no time for it to happen, but if you can figure out how to work the reversals, we always pull back to hit our session mid for the day. So what I've been doing to look for reversals is once we push up to the 21 EMA, then kind of pull back and hit the 9 and it holds. So I've been trying to catch those reversals kind of like that for a push up to the 50. So that's kind of what we did. We got long somewhere around here. We took the previous trade up to the 50 EMA, but then I saw the 50 holding. But like I said, we're just down to 2 micros for this morning. And that would be your what, 200 moving average. Man, it's like our 87. I think we had that target marked this morning also, the 88, 87 target. If we get above that, we may make a little push back up to, I want to say, what, 21,028? So this will be your 5-minute chart. Man, we almost have pretty much equal lows sitting all the way back down there. That would be insane if we run all the way back down. You're bullish for the day? So we hit the bottom of that supply and demand zone, which was right at 88, 988. Like I said, this is the 5-minute charts here, guys. What, 25? Mm. This is the 5 minutes. Man, if this is on the 1 minute, that'd probably be pretty tempting looking here. But being on the 5-minute, we're just kind of waiting to see if this 940 is going to hold. Oh, goodness. That 40 is still holding. Time is it 10:30? Might have to wait 10 more minutes till we get into the macro time. I might wait till we get back below the 86, I think. I think that's the safest play. We'll have to see. Like I said, I'm kind of new to the 5-minute chart here, guys. So see, 1 minute, we probably should wait for that 87 to break, because that 87 was the key break here. So we're kind of new to playing 5-minute candles. So this is why we're just doing this on a couple micros. Probably need to have like a 30-point stop loss on these 5-minute candles. If we can't, shoot, might get stopped out on this. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out. So we never did lose the 87. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens again. I may even have to switch back over to the 1 minute. Like I said, it's a little difficult. You can see where we stopped there. You almost need to wait for us to print below that 87. But like I said, we've been kind of experimenting with the 5-minute charts a little bit. Ooh. Let me do this so I can watch the 5-minute chart too. So that's what I'm thinking too, that we could possibly keep moving lower. I think we're just going to have to break this 87 level that we are 85, 86 level that we have marked out here. I definitely got in prematurely based off the 5-minute chart, and I should have clicked over to the 1-minute chart to make sure that we're printing below this level. We're still up 440. Yeah. Oh, we're still up 440. Let's see if we what do we got? The 200 moving average all the way back at the 82s. Oh, damn it. Damn it. Try to catch that quick break out there after we retested those 40s. It still may go. Damn it. That thing literally hit about 9 points. I don't want to jump in on the retest. I feel like that was my chance to at least get the 10 and maybe a runner, because I feel like we were going to probably push up to the 80s and retest the 200 moving average. Nah, there it goes. Ah, we missed that one, guys. We missed that one. That would have got our profit back the little bit we lost a while ago. Darn it. It's too late to jump in. Your entry was back there around the VWAP in that 40 to try to keep a tight stop loss at that 50% mark. Nah. Let's see what else we can find here. We get through those 85s again, possibly 28. Yeah, I'm just trading basically off support areas outer. Oh, goodness. Is that an engulfing candle? No. Wow, that would have worked perfectly, and I paper handed it. I got long around that 50 to 60s. We pushed all the way up to the 200 moving average for one more little retest. So I don't know if we're going to create a little bull flag here. I guess we'll just have to wait and see what happens when we pull back. $26. So if we do lose this session mid here, if we sell through the 26s to like there was the bounce off the 26. Got about the 26 didn't hold. We'll give it one more chance. See if we can get it to fail here. I'm getting that's the only difficult part about taking trades around these support and resistance. You get a lot of choppiness sometimes. So I'm hoping 905 will be the target down, honestly. The next one. Okay. There's that 9. There's that first one. 88 should be your next one. Or 86. Let me look. Here we go. Yeah, 88 will be your next one down. We'll hit 90. We got through the 908s. 908s was that middle of the line target there. Then here comes 88. We lose 88. We should get a little waterfall. Boom, right off the 88. I mean, to the T, 88. I just hate it took me 2 trades and I didn't really make much because I had to win back the profit we lost. If the middle of the range holds, we should continue down, which is 905 and that 909. We don't want to get above this level here. We want to see that hold. Come on, hold. Nope. It regained it. So probably going to have to push back up to the 26s again. Yep. We retest the 26 on the dot, guys. Look at that. This could go either way here. I'm hoping we get another retest of that 88 here. Nope. Ah, come on, 10, hold. Oh, goodness. We're just pretty much blowing through the little profit that we made. We're only still up, what, 250 bucks today, so. This is a reset eval that reset it over the weekend, so we are being a little aggressive with it, guys. And these are no setups, guys. This right here is just playing these supply and demand areas. I don't know if I just need to wait for us to break that 88 before I get back in, because we're just kind of chopping in between those two levels. What we got? 26 still. You can kind of see where we're trapped at. It's this 15-minute supply demand zone here. That's kind of where we're chopping at. $803. Man, that'd be nice if we can get a nice little hit down there to the 803 there. All right. Got it back above this one level. So maybe we push. What if we push back up to the 80s? The only thing I hate is all of our EMAs are just flat right now. We got 60 that we could possibly run if we refill in this gap here. Still bouncing off the 26. Oh, the short setups. Boom. The trend line breakout below the 26. Oh, what? Not sure what happened. Somehow I closed out my trade. Oh, it come back. I didn't have time to move my stuff around, I guess. I was trying to get it to set up real quick and I couldn't do it. What we'll do now is just wait for that 26 to break. The only thing, like I said, the only downfall to getting short around some of these support and resistance, you get a lot of play. Get a lot of play around these levels. Equal highs at 989. Now, if we get back above the 86 level, I guess we could consider that back above the 26 or back above the session mid. I mean, this was a nice, somewhat of a nice little bear flag setup here. Ooh. I try to make it where I hit this wick right here. See if we can at least push past this freaking wick. All right. There's that break of that 88 level. And we could get wicked out if it pushes back up because I'm just right above that freaking support line here at the 86s, 88s. We're in the trade for what, 16 bucks? No, $32 or something like that. 2 micros left. I think we should at least get the 40s here. We got a wick all the way down at the 750s. Man, do we go all the way to the 750? Oh, dang it. Man, we missed it. Hopefully it doesn't come back and touch that freaking 9 EMA. I might risk a little bit more just because in case it wants to touch that 9 there. Like I said, it's just 2 micros that we're in this for right now. There's the 9. Oh, we didn't get anything on the runners there. There's your 21 touch. Bounce back off that 88 level. No, this could go either way on us. Yeah. I was trying to lose that 88 level. Well, might be going back to the upside here. Still going to watch this 88 level. The only thing I don't like about sometimes where I take those rebounces off the 9 to get long above the 20 here, it's just our 50 EMA is so close. Yeah, we're getting wrecked in fees today, trading these freaking micros here. What did you say? Equal highs end up at 89. Really can't consider long unless we get back above the 25s though, or maybe the 908s. Try it one more time. Come on. We're still getting trapped at this 88 level here, guys. Oh no, it's engulfing candle. Uh-oh. We're back to break even for the day. We're being, don't trust me, guys, we're being really aggressive with this. This is a fairly new reset eval, so we've been super aggressive with these evals just because we try not to spend a whole bunch of time trading them. So we've been trying to catch this short off of this 88 level here, but I don't know if we kind of need to wait for us to get above this 20s up here. $906. might have to go to break even because that's at that support line that we might struggle to get above. No. Oh, shoot. Oh, it is non-farm payroll. Remember, guys, these aren't setups on this account. This is just us being super aggressive with this account. $61. Getting back there close to that 88 range. So what are you still waiting on a long setup, Java? I mean, outer? Yeah, we're in the middle of that range. We definitely got to get below this 88 here. That's kind of which one we've been trying, and we kind of been just getting trapped there. Nine. You have a long bias? Let's see. Let's see, what is that? 908. I don't know if we just need to wait for the push above the 25.37 area. 25. Yeah, 25. That's kind of where we're hitting at, the 25 level. Ooh, do we attempt that again? I done took that trade twice on that other eval. Just trying to wait and see if we get some kind of printed candle below it. And see what happens at the 80s. Kind of was where we've been stuck at earlier. Just cannot get away from this level here. Man, it might have been a trap. Where's the next, what, 908? Next level. Continue higher. We got to get above this. Then we should make a nice little push up to what did you say? 985, 988? This was the level we were watching here, the 925s. Oh, you're thinking maybe afternoon session? Yeah, we're just trying to take little stabs, little 10-point winners, and look for longs on our evals this morning. Man, we're just kind of trapped in this area here. A lot of consolidation. Been consolidation for a while here. Oh, that was last week. Wow, that thing broke out of the 25 range. Let's see if we stay above the 25 here. Nope. Good thing we waited here. I mean, you're getting your 10 points. If you are trying to take these little breakouts, you're just not getting runners if you're looking for runners here. All right. Let's see if we can get the breakout above this 25 here. Hopefully we rerun this wick here. Oh, come on, 25. The 25s is battling. This is kind of like trying to play that same area when you're down there trying to play the what do you want to call it? The play the 88 level. Like you can probably get your 10 points, is struggling to get anything else above it. Come on. We're like 6 points away from this. What? I guess I could have took 75. That would have been just 50 points. That's probably the safer play. Let's see if we can get the top of that. That'll at least be a 50-point move. I don't really want it to pull all the way back on us. This way we don't walk away completely empty-handed. 36, 46. That'd be, what, 30 points? It should be safe. Yeah. Yeah, I just hate that I had to lose some profits on some of those fake breakouts there to the downside. All right. Finished it off with the 50 points there. This one here. Nice. Yeah, that would have been a nice failed inversion play there too. Like you would have got long here at 60. You could have done that one too. This. Yeah, so you would have got long off of this candle here. What did that pay? 62, almost 20 points. Yeah, 20 points if you did the fail inversion play. Oh, goodness. Ooh, this thing's just dumping right back off. Man, do we take a short below that, maybe? Make sure it doesn't retest there. Yeah, if we hold, let's see what thing we got there. I thought I was gonna get the gap there for the down. Oh, you think maybe we fill it back in, possibly? If we can lose the 25s, we should get a nice little push down. That was probably the only bad mistake here, was taking that trade around the 25s. I thought we would get another little push down to the 07s, the 10s. Okay, so we did. I wasn't sure about that one. I was... Perfect. Come on, 25. Whew. How much more? I really don't need to take it that far. I only really need like $50 more. This will probably be the last trade of the day for me. For here, I'm going to have to lose that 88 again. So we're back at the one level that we've probably mentioned 1,000 times, is the 88 level where we consolidate from earlier. And we may even risk a little bit. Let's just risk $20 of this trade just in case the 25 does hold. Yeah, if we lose that 88, I bet you we get a little waterfall. Here we go. It's go time, guys. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we get a little waterfall here. Come on. Give us the waterfall. Waterfall, go. I got stopped out at least twice trying to short this freaking area earlier, man. Just could not get through that level again. That 88 has just been an ice wall, guys. That's what I'm saying. If we can break that level, I feel like we get a really good, like, swift move down. But I tried shorting that same area earlier and I got stopped out, so I do not want to try that again. Also got a 5-minute fair value gap all the way down to the 800s. Is that the one you were talking about, Outer? This one? Or right down at the bottom here, this. Ooh. Right. Yes, that's a nice target. Man, if we can break that 88 and find support below that, man, it's going to go. Waterfall. It just needs a little bit of poke. There we go. It's picking up momentum. Picking up momentum. I may have to end up, man, I really don't want to sit here in this trade for 20 freaking minutes. Ugh. Oh, London closes. Okay. Maybe London will give us a little bit of boost here. I mean, technically, this is already a fairly nice trade. I mean, we're up almost, what, 40 to 50 points, so. We're looking for the 100-point nugget here. Oh, come on. We don't want to regain that level. Worked so hard to get below it. No, come on. At least give me the bottom of that wick. I was trying to get an extra little contract sell in here. There we go. There we go. Well, I mean, technically, I'm already over the threshold on this account, so. I'm already what, 26,555. So see if we can get that 100-point trade. Our original entry was up there at 920 there. We did add, so it did kind of take a little bit of our overall position away. So if we hit 820, that'll be like a 105-point move total. And I think Outer says if we fill in that imbalance gap, we could possibly hit 805s here. So hopefully gives us a little bit of a front running room here. Outer, did you try the short? No. Oh, just not a setup. Okay. Yeah, I don't really have setups myself. Well, I don't know. We did take that failed fair value gap over here. This one here. We pushed a high over here and we broke back through that gap. So we took it off of this candle here. I don't think it was like a A+ setup, but it's just another failed fair value gap. I actually got kind of nervous because we got short at 925. Come on, just a little bit more, a little bit more. Yeah, no funded trades today. We were waiting for like a 5-minute breakout today. We took a 5-minute breakout earlier this morning, like before the market opened, and got 30 points. Let's see if I can. After this trade's over, I'll show you where we took it at. Don't retest the 88s. I know we could reverse here. I'm not going to risk no more than, what's that, 20, so $40 that we'll risk. Because we're already over the threshold to pass this next eval here. Oh, come on. I was hoping this push would get us down there. Let's see if we get to the trend line there. Ooh, 15 points away. If I can put it at 25, that'll be 100 points total. I just don't know if we're going to get, let's see where we're at here. Oh, well, it should go. Hopefully we just get a 21 touch here. We just don't want to make sure get back below that 500 range here. We're just hoping the I definitely don't want to see us get back above the 88 here, because that would hurt. Not hurt, but I'd probably close it down. If we start losing that 88, we'll probably close it. Because we're already over the threshold technically. But we'll give it the 90 at the most, and that'll be your 50 EMA touch. There's the 90. If we hold the 90, we'll close our trade down. All right. Oh, no, did I not? Are we going to be $2 short? See. Above 90, above 06s, we should push back up to the 27, 25s if the 08s hold. I don't know if I need to make $2 more on this thing. No, did it not? Okay. All right, we got back above it again. Score. I know, man. Whatever. I thought that we were going to get the 805 sweep, but we didn't. Okay. We're still above the threshold. I was just trying to get this one account over the threshold. So, oh, goodness. I guess I missed this 5-minute breakout for the funded account. I wasn't paying attention. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3. Would have paid 30 points too, because you would have got long around the 60s, 70s. Or right here, actually, up and around the 80s. Sorry about that. There we go. Actually, these bullish engulfing candles have been paying too, if you look at it on the 5-minute here. Engulfing. That would be nice if we hit those 2108s. Making a little push there. Am I candle? Oh, it's not. waiting to see if we can push this trend line here. What are we? We're in the macro, so. No. Yeah, whole new candle, guys. Mm. Was excuse me. I was kind of waiting for the breakout above this trend line, but it didn't happen. Sounds good, Outer. I'm probably about at the end of my trading morning too, man. We've had a lot of big trades today. Right now, we're just kind of watching the 5-minute charts here, so you got to be a little bit more patient when watching the 5-minute charts. Come on. Yeah, there's not really a lot to do here. We just kind of have to be patient and wait. This, because we're trading the 5 minutes, you have to be a little bit more patient. Let's try to make a push here. Yeah, it needs to be above those 43s to make a run up to here. Just kind of be impatient and wait, guys. Not really a lot to do here. We're just kind of waiting for this 5-minute candle to kind of break. I'm not really sure if I want to still take this one or not. Let's see. Right now, we're just kind of sitting here waiting to see what happens with this 5-minute chart here. Mm. Let me take this on a sim account and just see if it'll work. Right now, we're just kind of stuck at this session mid. Usually, if we can get above that, we'll usually have a nice little push. Mm. Oh. I know one thing, guys. When watching the 5 minutes, you definitely got to be a little bit more patience here. Just takes a little bit more, takes a little longer to form. All right, guys. So I'm gonna leave this up here for a few minutes. If you guys want to continue watching, I'm just gonna probably watch all stream or come back in here. I'm kind of looking for the short here trend line break, not necessarily the long here. Hopefully this. I mean, it printed above the. What's that? Oh. Be back in a little. We're just going to see if this will hold up here. We're going to look for the short. We'll just keep an eye on it. So what this is the 5 minutes trend line break. We're actually looking for a break to the downsides possibly here. It looks like it's definitely on the struggle bus and moving higher.